We all know that food is fuel for our bodies, but are you giving your body the right kind of fuel? Just like a high-performance car needs premium gasoline, our bodies thrive on nutrient-rich foods. Choosing the right foods can make all the difference in how you feel, your energy levels, and even your risk of chronic diseases. Many diets promise quick fixes, but often leave you feeling deprived and unsatisfied, leading to a cycle of yo-yo dieting and frustration. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is not just another fad diet. It's a scientifically proven way of eating that has been transforming lives for decades. The keto diet shifts your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat, putting your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you? The keto diet might be the answer you've been searching for. Imagine a world where your body becomes a fat-burning machine, effortlessly shedding excess weight while experiencing increased energy and mental clarity. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats, you force your body to switch its primary fuel source from glucose to ketones. Ketones are produced by your liver from stored fat when glucose is in short supply. They act as an alternative energy source for your brain and muscles, providing a clean and efficient fuel that leaves you feeling satiated and energized. Unlike glucose, ketones don't cause the same spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to more stable energy throughout the day and reduced cravings. The ketogenic diet has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations on the keto diet, reporting improvements in various health markers including blood sugar control, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. Many people report experiencing increased mental clarity, improved focus, and reduced brain fog when following a ketogenic lifestyle. This is because ketones are a highly efficient fuel source for the brain, providing it with a steady stream of energy and supporting optimal cognitive function. The ketogenic diet has taken the health and wellness world by storm, and it's no surprise why. By switching your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat, you unlock a cascade of positive changes that can transform your health from the inside out. One of the most well-known benefits of the keto diet is its remarkable ability to promote weight loss. By reducing your intake of carbohydrates, you lower insulin levels, which signals your body to start burning stored fat for energy. This leads to a natural and sustainable weight loss without the feelings of deprivation often associated with other diets. Studies have shown that the ketogenic diet can significantly improve blood sugar control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. By reducing carbohydrate intake, you minimize blood sugar spikes and improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Furthermore, the keto diet has been linked to improved heart health. By lowering triglyceride levels and increasing HDL, good cholesterol, keto can reduce your risk of heart disease. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can feel like navigating a whole new world of food choices. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats. Start by stocking up on plenty of healthy fats, as they will be your primary source of energy on the keto diet. Avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds are all excellent choices. Make sure to include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet as well, as they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Next, load up on non-starchy vegetables. Think leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, as well as broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber while being low in carbohydrates. Feel free to get creative with your veggie intake by trying new recipes and experimenting with different cooking methods. When it comes to protein, opt for high-quality sources like grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, eggs, and wild-caught seafood. Remember to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined grains like white bread, pasta, and rice. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and support your keto journey. Ready to put your keto knowledge into action? Here's a sample one-week keto meal plan. Day 1 starts with scrambled eggs with spinach and smoked salmon, lunch is a grilled chicken salad with avocado, and dinner is baked salmon with roasted asparagus and cauliflower rice. Day 2 offers a breakfast keto smoothie, lunch is leftover baked salmon, and dinner is a ground beef stir-fry with broccoli. Day 3 begins with bulletproof coffee, lunch is a tuna salad, and dinner features chicken and vegetable skewers. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can be an exciting and transformative experience, but it's not without its challenges. Here are some practical tips to help you stay on track. First, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial on the keto diet. Second, electrolyte balance is key. Replenishing electrolytes prevents keto flu symptoms. Third, meal prep is essential. Plan your meals to avoid unhealthy choices. Embrace healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Lastly, listen to your body and adjust as needed. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations on the ketogenic diet, achieving not only weight loss, but also improvements in their overall health and well-being. Here are a few inspiring success stories that showcase the power of keto. Sarah's story is a testament to the transformative power of the keto diet. She had struggled with her weight for years, trying countless diets and exercise programs with little success. Frustrated and discouraged, she stumbled upon the keto diet and decided to give it a try. To her amazement, the weight started melting off effortlessly. But it wasn't just about the weight loss for Sarah. She also experienced a surge in energy. Her brain fog lifted and her chronic joint pain disappeared. Keto had changed her life in more ways than one. John's story is equally inspiring. He was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and was told he would need to be on medication for the rest of his life. Determined to take control of his health, he adopted a ketogenic lifestyle. Within months, his blood sugar levels stabilized, and he was able to reduce his medication dosage significantly. John's story is a testament to the power of the keto diet in managing chronic diseases. The ketogenic diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle change that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. By embracing the principles of keto, you're not just changing what you eat, but also adopting a holistic approach to health that prioritizes nourishing your body with real, whole foods. One of the most empowering aspects of the keto lifestyle is the focus on mindful eating. Instead of mindlessly consuming processed foods and sugary drinks, you become more aware of the nutritional value of the foods you choose. The keto lifestyle also encourages you to tune in to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By reducing carbohydrate intake and stabilizing blood sugar levels, keto helps regulate your appetite and prevents the cravings and energy crashes associated with a high-carb diet. Combining the ketogenic diet with regular exercise can significantly enhance your health and fitness journey, leading to accelerated weight loss, improved body composition, and increased athletic performance. When you're on a keto diet, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, utilizing stored fat as its primary fuel source. Exercise further amplifies this process by increasing your energy expenditure and promoting the use of fat for fuel. This synergistic effect can lead to more efficient fat loss and improved body composition, helping you shed unwanted pounds while preserving lean muscle mass. Moreover, the keto diet can enhance athletic performance by providing a steady stream of energy to your muscles. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can feel overwhelming at first, but you don't have to go it alone. There are countless resources and support systems available to guide you on your journey, providing information, inspiration, and a sense of community. Online forums and social media groups dedicated to the keto diet are excellent places to connect with fellow keto enthusiasts, share recipes and tips, and find support and encouragement. Numerous websites, blogs, and podcasts are dedicated to providing evidence-based information on the ketogenic diet, including recipes, meal plans, scientific research, and expert advice. These resources can help you deepen your understanding of keto, stay up to date on the latest research, and find inspiration for your culinary creations. The ketogenic diet is more than just a weight loss trend. It's a lifestyle revolution that has the power to transform your health and well-being from the inside out. By embracing the principles of keto, reducing carbohydrate intake, increasing healthy fats, and consuming moderate protein, you can unlock a cascade of benefits including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, and enhanced cognitive function. Remember, the ketogenic diet is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that prioritize your health and well-being. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Are you ready to embark on your keto adventure? The journey to a healthier, more vibrant you starts now.